Guys, if you forgot your iPhone passcode, the official Apple method to unlock iPhone is to reset it to remove the passcode lock and then restore from a backup later to recover any data. This video will explain how to unlock iPhone if you forgot the password, specifically through a few ways to reset the iPhone wirelessly or reset it with a computer, or simply unlock iPhone without passcode without resetting. Let's get started with the simplest method to unlock the iPhone if forgotten passcode without a computer, that is, reset iPhone wirelessly using the Forgot Passcode option for iOS 17 or later. This wireless reset method has become effective since iOS 15.2, and works only if your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data network, as well as Find My iPhone feature is turned on. It also requires your Apple account credentials for an iPhone reset so as to get an iPhone unlocked. To do this, we just enter the incorrect password multiple times deliberately until iPhone becomes disabled, with the screen showing iPhone unavailable, and at the bottom, there's a Forgot Passcode option that can be used to reset and unlock your iPhone passcode. For iOS 15.2 and up to iOS 16, it's called Erase iPhone. Okay, tap the Forgot Passcode option. In the screen that follows, tap Start iPhone Reset. This will erase everything on your device, including the passcode. If you've enabled iCloud backup or kept a computer backup, you can restore your content after erasing. Move on. Enter your Apple account password that's linked to the iOS device. Then, tap Erase iPhone to kick off resetting the iPhone and its passcode you forget. If you're using eSIM, you can choose to delete or keep it while resetting the locked iPhone. Wait for a moment or two. The resetting process unlocks your iPhone without passcode or without computer. When done, Hello screen will appear. Simply swipe up and start setup. Follow the prompts to restore your iPhone from a backup you made previously, and create a new passcode. Alright, if you can't reset the iPhone wirelessly, come to method 2. Unlock an iPhone forgotten passcode by resetting the device with Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker on a computer, regardless of iOS version. The software is designed to help user unlock iPhone and bypass the lock screen issues, such as forgotten passcode, Face ID or Touch ID problems, and even Apple ID lockouts. Whether you cannot remember password on iPhone and unable to unlock iPhone's screen, or need to remove security lockouts, this iPhone Unlocker utility offers straightforward solution to regain access to your iOS device. If you're interested in, click the download link in the description section below this video and get Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. When you're ready to unlock your iPhone after forgetting password, launch the program. Then, choose Wipe Passcode mode. This will initiate a reset on your locked iPhone, which permanently deletes all data and settings. Without a backup already stored in iCloud or on your computer, there's no way to restore your data, but at the very least, you're able to remove the lock screen and get into your iPhone without knowing the password. Then, plug your iPhone into your computer. If it fails to be recognized, you'll be guided to put the device into recovery mode. It's not difficult. When detected, confirm your device information and click Start button to download the appropriate iOS software for your phone. You can monitor the download process. Usually, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. After the download, unlock confirmation window pops up, telling you that removing iPhone passcode, whether it's a 4-digit code, 6-digit code, other forms of code, will wipe the device clean and make it start as if it were new. To continue, enter 4 zeros, and then hit the unlock button to begin iPhone factory reset without password. This will take a few minutes to unlock the passcode. When the iPhone unlocking process is complete, you'll be taken to set up your phone from the scratch. You can set it up as new, or restore your recent backup if you have one. Okay, let's come to method 3. Unlock an iPhone without a passcode by resetting it with recovery mode and a computer. You'll need to prepare a Mac or PC, a compatible lightning cable for device connection, and enter recovery mode with a restore option for erasing all device content and passcode on the lock screen, after which you can get into a locked iPhone when you forgot the passcode. Now, power off your locked iPhone with a forgotten password you're trying to unlock. When it's completely turned off, use the correct buttons to put it into recovery mode. For iPhone 10 or later, iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, connect the phone to computer and immediately press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, plug the phone into computer and at the same time, press and hold the volume down button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone SE 1st generation, iPhone 6s or earlier, attach the phone with the computer and keep holding the home button for a while until your iPhone gets into recovery mode. Alright, turn to the computer. Once it detects the device, iTunes or Finder should open automatically. If not, open it manually. A prompt with the option to update or restore your iPhone will then pop up. To unlock forgotten iPhone passcode and bypass the lock screen, we have to choose Restore option. Any content and setting will be erased, including your passcode. If you have a backup, you can restore it after iPhone is reset. Prompt to click Restore and Update button, and then follow any other prompts. Your computer will then begin downloading the latest version of iOS for your iPhone, and then restoring it to factory settings in order to unlock the iPhone without password or Face ID. Note that the software download may take a couple of minutes to complete. When the device gets out of recovery mode, don't worry, simply let the download finish, and then re-enter recovery mode and repeat the process to restore and open the locked iPhone without needing a password. After the restoring process comes to an end, your iPhone unlocks with the passcode removed. Go through the setup process, and make sure to restore your device from a previous iCloud backup or computer backup if available. The last part will discuss how to unlock an iPhone if forgot password without resetting. Since iOS 17, if you've changed your passcode recently, Apple allows you to use the old one for 72 hours to sign in and reset the passcode. This is a useful fix for a forgotten iPhone passcode without restore or without the need of a computer. To do that, after multiple failed passcode attempts on your iPhone, tap Forgot Passcode option at the lower right corner of the disabled screen. Then, instead of performing a wireless iPhone reset, you just need to tap Enter Previous Passcode button. Next, type in your old passcode to unlock the iPhone, and then create a new passcode. Your iPhone should be unlocked instantly without erasing device's data. Make sure that your device has a network connection for this passcode reset to work. That's it, you are back in. Hopefully that walkthrough helped you unlock your iPhone even if you forgot the password and recover full access. If it really did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone unlock how-tos. Reminder: if this device isn't yours, or you can't prove ownership, do not attempt any bypass methods. Contact Apple or the original owner. Got questions on your iPhone model? Drop a comment below, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.